Yeah, my name is Wesley Mbitana. I'm the general manager of the Homestead Resort. We've been here since 1886. We do a lot of events. Some of our main events is weddings, corporate groups. We have lot of fun things coming up at the Homestead Resort, especially the next, this year and the next few years. A lot of things excited about this place, especially the history of it and keeping the history, renovating, especially all the buildings we have. I'm excited for pretty much everything that has been done with this area, from the golf to the 1886 grill to the new pool. That is the thing about the Heber Valley is that we're not that far away. A lot of our guests that comes in the weekend, that's one thing they enjoy. They can just drive 30 minutes away from the valley, from the busy life that they have, and enjoy the quietness of the mountains.